video we are talking about the Cramer's rule of order 2. Cramer's rule is one of the application of the determinant. It is a method that uses determinant to solve the linear equations or to find the value of variables in the linear equations. Suppose we have given two linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, where a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are the constants, whatever may be the value of constants. Then we have to solve these three determinants, then we will get the value of variables, that is x and y. So firstly we have to calculate the value of d, then dx and then dy. In the determinant d, we have to put the coefficients of x and y, that is variables. In these two equations, x coefficient is a1 and coefficient of y is b1, and then coefficient of x is a2 and coefficient of y is b2. Then in the next determinant we have to substitute here the coefficient of x by the constant, that is c1 and c2. Similarly in the dy we have to substitute the coefficient of y by the constant, here c1 and c2. Here we have replaced the coefficients of y by the c1 and c2, that is constant. Then finally we obtain some value of constant, that is dx is equal to some constant value and dy is equal to any other constant. Then we have to calculate the value of variables, that is x and y. So let's see the first example, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. And one more thing, here value of determinant d is not equal to 0. Here determinant of d which is not equal to 0. That means if d is equal to 0, then the variable x, the value of x and y are not determined, that means it is a infinity. So the determinant d which is not equal to 0. Here first example is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and x plus 2y is equal to 4. Then here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 5, and here a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to 4. Then we have to substitute the values of a1, b1 and a2, b2, here 2, 3, 1 and 2. Then we have to take this cross multiplication, 2 into 2 it is 4, here 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. So here 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 1 is 3 and 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1. Then the value of d is equal to 1. Now dx is equal to, here we have to substitute the coefficient of x, that is here coefficient of x by the constant, here constant 5 and 4. Now dx is equal to 5, 3, 4 and 2, which is equal to, here take this cross multiplication, 5 into 2 minus 3 into 4, here 5 into 2 minus 4 into 3, which is equal to, here 5 into 2 is 10 minus 4 into 3 is 12. So 10 minus 12 which is equal to minus 2. Finally dx is equal to minus 2. Then similarly dy is equal to, here we want to substitute the coefficient of y by the constant. The value of constant is 5 and 4. So 2, 5, 1 and 4. We have to take this cross multiplication minus this cross multiplication, which is equal to 2 into 4, here minus 1 into 5, which is equal to 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. So finally dy is equal to 3. Now we want to put this formula, dx is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Then x is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to x, the value of x is, dx is minus 2 and value of d is 1. So minus 2 by 1, which is equal to, x is equal to minus 2. And similarly y is equal to dy upon d, the value of y is, dy is here 3 and determinant d which is equal to 1. So y is equal to 3. Here we get the value of variable, that is x and y. Here x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 3. And then second example, 4x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 6x plus 2y is equal to 7. Then determinant D is equal to here a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2 and c2. Then determinant D is equal to 4, 2, 6 and 3. Sorry. In this second example, 4x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 6x plus 3y is equal to 7. Then in the determinant D, here a1, b1 and c1, and in this equation here a1 is 6, a2 is 6, b2 is 3 and c2 is 7. Then determinant D, which is equal to 4, 2, 6 into 3. Here we want to take this cross multiplication, 4 into 3 and minus 6 into 2. Here 4 into 3 minus 6 into 2, which is equal to 10 minus 12, which is equal to 0. Here determinant D is equal to 0. Therefore we cannot find the value of variables, that is x and y, because if D is equal to 0, then our formula x is equal to dx upon d. Here dx, the value of d is 0. Therefore finally the x is, if we have to find, then it is a infinity, that means indeterminate form. Then we cannot find the value of x and y. So yes friends, this is all about the Cramer's rule of order 2. If you have any doubt, you can post in the comment box. Otherwise, if you feel this is a value additional to your knowledge, then like our video. And for more such videos, subscribe to our channel, and yes, press the bell icon so you will get the notification of our next video. So yes friends, thank you for watching. Thank you so much.
What's your vision?